Now let's introduce 980 laser blood remover. This is the main engine. This is the mask. This is the foot switch. This is the power cord, 110-220 universal. This is a fibrioptichan tool. These eretwood reputed jets for removing red blood silk, here only different in shape, only strained only curved, which can be selected according to personal habits. When replacing, screw it down and tighten it. This is the focusing ring, use it to adjust the size of the spot 0.5 mm to 3 mm, the thicker focusing ringes, the bigger the spotis, itis use it to remove a thick red blood filament. And finer focusing ringes to remove a thin red blood filament. Focus ring can also be used without changing, just to set the default 0.5 morphed instrument. Connect the power cord to the power socket. Connect foot wire to foot socket. Connect isometophy socket. When connected, the machine can be switched on without adding water. There is no consumable material and no jellies needed. Now turn on, the instrument loads automatically into the main interface. The interface is very simple, there are 3 parameters altogether. This is power. This is pulse width. And this is frequency. Click and, button to adjust the parameters. For the power values the strength of the laser energy when operating on the skin. If this value is too small, the blood will not be removed, and if it is too large, it will cause burns and blistering, commonly used range G6 to 12W. Pulse width is the timeth at the laser stays in the skin. The minimum is 15 and the maximum is 100 ms. When operating on the skin, if this value is too small, the blood will not be removed. When it is too big, the pain will increase in blister. The common range is 30 to 60 ms. Frequency is the speed, the number of pulses emitted per second. The minimum is 1 and the maximum is 5 Hz, usually 2 to 3 highest. This value is related to the manipulation proficiency of the operator. When using low frequency, the hand shall move slowly, and when using fast frequency, the manipulation should move fast. Other parameters are simpler. This light bulb by Siming light. By clicking this button to adjust the aiming brightness. 1 is weak. The second is brighter. And the third is particularly bright. Generally, fist can see that blood silk, but it is not clear when it is too bright. Here is the number of the C root put of the this boot, up. Here is the total number of the C output from this instrument. Click and test it button. Step on the foot, the laser starts to put. Loosen the foot, and the laser steps out part. If the parameters are inappropriate and need to adjust the parameters, they need to return to the suspension state to adjust. For example, increase the energy or pulse width a little, click again to start. And treat again. This is the operation method of 980 removing red blood silk. Attention in clinical practice. If I have not mastered the instrument, you can do some exercises and paper to familiar with instrument and operation techniques. Use your fan tools, holding hand tool cash holding pen state. Pen angle tilt between 50 and 70 degrees, point by point it and connected into Arlin, so has no point illustrate if you wrong angle of the pen. Read aiming added blood silk position, launch a shot, move a pen forward about 1 mm. Read aiming must be armored at red blood silk, cannot repeat scanning back and forth, otherwise, it may cause swelling or blistering. Parameter adjustment, useth the default value of booter test. If it can be removed, it shows that the current energy is slow. Gradually increaseth energy a standby state until it can be removed. Excessive energy and pulse width can remove blood filaments, but may cause blister and scabs if the energy and pulse width is more. The blood filament cannot be removed or cleaned up. If the blood filament can lie be desalinated or intermittent lie moved, it belongs to the result of 2 small energy and pulse.